Hi class, I hope that you really enjoyed the book Creepy Carrots, written by Aaron Reynolds and illustrated by Peter Brown. This book is an excellent book to use when filling out the sheet that I have in our packet this week. This sheet helps students organize their retell when they're retelling a story, which we've been practicing retell with our letter puppet stories, but now we're going to do our retell sheet for a book that I've read to you. So at the top, this top box is for the setting, and in class we make this symbol for setting when we're talking about where the story takes place. This box is for the characters. We make this symbol for characters when we're talking about the characters. We have the thumbs down for the problem in the story, then we have a thumbs up for the solution in the story. What I want your kiddo to do is just record what happened in the story. Where did the story take place? For this story, they might draw a picture of a house where the little rabbit lives, or they might draw a picture of Hopper Field where the carrots are where the carrots grow. For the characters, I would definitely have my little rabbit and my little rabbit Jasper, and then I'd also have some creepy carrots drawn, and you can get really creative with the carrots are. You might help your child write down some words in some of these boxes, but the big thing for kindergarten is make sure they have their sketches. For problems, I would definitely have pictures of the creepy carrots creeping and chasing after Jasper Rabbit. And then for the solution, I would probably draw a picture of all the traps and all of the fences that Jasper Rabbit built to keep those rabbits in. And then the solution really is the fact that he can't eat the carrots anymore, right? So you're going to use this side. On the other side of your paper, you have a page that looks like this for events in order. Some stories there's not really a problem, it more just tells about events that happen in order. So you could use this side for another story that you hear this week, or for a book that you read to your child or that you listen to. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a great week.